Hi guys, so this is a continued video from my pocket friendly lipstick episode 3 where I created this daytime look. So I'm going to convert this look into an evening look. I'm here to create content, so this was my morning look. I will change my outfit. I've already kind of straightened my hair and I'll tell you how I will convert this into an evening look without doing much because it's cold. I'm in Gangtok, so I don't have to remove it or I have not been sweating that much. I'll just show you what I add and it'll become an evening look. Okay, first I'm going to make my eyes a little darker. So I'm taking this Fit Me loose powder. There's no liquid foundation, by the way. And I'm going to put it here so that if I make my eyes dark, there's a fallout, I can dust it off. This is the Icy Nude palette by Huda Beauty. Use anything that you like. I'm going to take a dark brown. And this is the PAC 341 brush. I'll just dab it on my upper eyelid. Just take it up to your crease line. Take the same brush, use the flat part and line your lower lash line. The light is a little weird here. Now the dark eyeshadow is over. I'll dust off this powder in case there was any fallout. I'm taking a nude kohl. This is by Rimmel, but it's discontinued. Use any nude kohl of your choice and put it on your waterline. I'm using a more dramatic mascara. I'm going to touch up my powder foundation. I'm going for a more dramatic look, so I'm going to even darken my lips. So I'm using the lip liner Chestnut by MAC. This is the lipstick Diva by MAC. Dab off the top layer so that the lipstick stays and apply another coat. Lipstick done. Some sharp contouring. I'm sticking to powder contour. Adding this blush on called Sun-Kissed Pink by Nude Sticks. Highlighter. Okay, my evening look is ready. Touch up your powder if required. I'm going to set my makeup and change my outfit and show you my evening look. I don't even have the time to change my jewelry. My shot is ready. So, setting it. Daytime look changed into an evening look. Hope you like it.